Why a consistent bedtime matters.
Establishing a regular sleep schedule is crucial for your health, focus, and mood. Our bodies run on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which helps regulate sleep and wake times. When you go to bed and wake up at consistent hours, you support better energy levels, improved memory, and overall productivity. The first step is understanding why consistency pays off.
Know your ideal sleep needs.
Most adults require between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. Your ideal bedtime depends on when you need to wake up and how much rest you need. Take note of how rested you feel after different amounts of sleep. Adjust your schedule to match your unique needs, and prioritize getting enough rest to thrive during the day.
Create a pre-bedtime routine.
A calming routine signals your body that it's almost time for sleep. Reduce screen time at least 30 minutes before bed. Dim the lights and try relaxing activities like reading or deep breathing. Creating rituals, such as brushing your teeth or preparing your clothes for the next day, can help your mind and body prepare for restful sleep.
Stick to your schedule, even on weekends.
Consistency is key, even when you're tempted to stay up late or sleep in. Irregular bedtimes can disrupt your sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep or wake up during the week. Try to keep your sleep and wake times within the same window every day, including weekends, to maintain the benefits of a healthy routine.
Handle setbacks and make adjustments.
Life happens, and sometimes you'll miss your ideal bedtime. Don't worry, just return to your routine as soon as possible. If you find yourself struggling, try adjusting your bedtime in small increments, about 15 minutes earlier or later, until you find what works best. Give yourself time to adapt, and remember to be patient with the process.